Welcome. So let's go to regulations. The regulation of artificial intelligence is the development of public sector policies, laws for promoting and regulating artificial intelligence. We need to have like regulations, ethics, all these policies in place. It is therefore related to the border region regulation of algorithm. The regulatory and policy landscape of AI is an emerging issue in judiciary globally. It is an emerging issue, okay? So we need to know all these things, and we need to have artificial intelligence scientists who will be working on policies on all with government and law enforcement agencies, including in Europe, European Union. Okay, there are a lot of concerns about emerging issues. Regulations in concern considering necessary to be encourage AI and manage associated risks. Regulation of AI through mechanisms such as review boards can also be seen as social means to approaching AI control problems. Giving the concern about data exploration, and the European Union also developed an artificial intelligence policy, okay, with a working group studying ways to ensure confidence in use of artificial intelligence. There were issued in two white papers that seem to be gone unnoticed in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. One of the policy on artificial intelligence is called European Approach to Excellence and Trust. So these are the regulations already, and we need to have regulations for all the application algorithms and robots. So we'll go to the next section, which is in fiction AI in fiction. Okay, thank you.